Hi, good day everyone. Let me discuss my report, which is about applying for a job. Of course, when we are applying for a job, we must have the resume, the cover letter, and we will undergo the job interview. I know that you, or should I say we are already familiar with this process, right? Of course, during our senior high school days, we have already practiced this matter. Okay, what is a resume? Well, according to Webster, it is a summary, specifically a short account of one's career and qualifications, prepared typically by an applicant for a position. It is a sheet that summarizes and emphasizes your high school courses, grades, academic honors, extracurricular activities, sport participation, work experience, volunteer experience, and special skills. Your resume, also known as a personal data sheet, it should contain the important details like education, your highest educational attainment, your work experience, your skills, activities, your job objective, and references. All of those are indicated in your resume. A resume is a formal document that provides an overview of your professional qualification, including your relevant work experience, your skills, your education, and notable accomplishments. When you are applying for a job, you need at least a resume to be considered for that position. And the parts of your resume, your objective statement, what is the purpose of the resume. In the heading, you would include your name, address, and your phone number. Of course, very important. Your school information, your honors, your activities, your work history, your skills, and references. Well, there's actually a variety of resume formats, and each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. We have three types of resume, which are the chronological resume, the functional resume, and the targeted resume. The chronological, it is describe employment and education starting with the current or the most recent event and ending with the least recent. The functional, organize your background by areas of skill and experience, such as the computers, customer service, writing, and languages. While the targeted, it is include both of the above section. However, the chronological resume format is the most common type of resume used by the job seeker today. So why is it a resume so important? Well, it helps to organize your thoughts, recognize your skills and interests, make more educated college and career choices, ultimately achieve your goals, and most importantly, feel good about yourself and your accomplishments. Cover letter is also known as a covering letter or application letter. It's a one-page document that introduces a job seeker's work history, professional skills, and personal interest in applying for a job. Letter of application. It was accompanies the resume, of course. It is used to seize attention, perk interest, show your stuff. And it is asked for an interview and your first impression on the employer. So how long should a cover letter be? Well, it is not required too long. Just keep it short. A cover letter is meant to be a summary of your resume, so don't write more than one page. It should be a short and simple. When writing a cover letter, it should, in the first paragraph of the cover letter, should highlight your objective for applying the job position and how you discovered the position. Of course, when it comes to writing your cover letter, you must be concise and specific. And the second paragraph, your credentials that quality you for such position. While the third, bring a friendly end to your letter, offering how you can be contacted. Of course, you should also politely ask for a written response or for the opportunity to arrange a meeting to further discuss your request. And always keep in mind that you need to do some research and find out the name of the person to whom you address your cover. Avoid using dear sir, madam, to whom it may concern, and etc. Of course, you should address their names or the hiring manager's name. We will go on the job interview, of course. In this part, we feel nervous, right?